In orbit of these two icons of 285, the rumor is that these two brothers didn't get along. They fussed all the time. They got along as brothers. So they had these two works of art put up out here to show their unique relationship. As you can see, one of them has the sun coming up and the other one has the moon coming up. So they can't even agree on that. And I've been here for a while. They're icons of New Mexico. Rumor has it the two brothers are always fussing with each other. So they put up these works of art to show their disagreement. And as you can see, one of them has the sun coming up and the other one has the moon coming up on the other side. So anyway, let's walk around Ralph. Okie dokie. Hello there, Internet and the rest of the world. You're walking around Ralph today. I got Gurtrude out there doing my camera duties. We're here in beautiful downtown Madrid, New Mexico today. We'll get a little broader view of the area and we'll head downtown and see what we can find. Come here, Gurtrude. Good job, girl. A bit broader view of the area. Beautiful country up here. We are up in the mountains a little bit, so the air's a little thinner, but she's doing fine. Come on back, Gurtrude. Good job, girl. Good girl. Dokie. Here we are in beautiful downtown Madrid. We're just walking around, wanting to take a look here at this gallery in Jezebel's. They got a soda fountain and a cafe. You might want to stop in here sometime. Beautiful downtown Madrid, not Spain, but heck, it does. It does good. We've been just walking around this town and a couple others today. I got Gurtrude back there doing my camera duties, and she's doing a good job so far. She's got a new sister coming in that'll probably get us a little bit higher video. Every place is closed today, so this is it. If you come here, maybe it'll be open for you. Come on, Gurtrude, let's go back down. See what we can get done. Take the long way around here. Come on down, girl. Okie dokie, you're at Walk Around Ralph. We're done for the day. Come here, Gurtrude. A view of the building here. Do a little bit of a zoom out and get her to come back in. Come on back in here, Gurtrude. That's my girl, good girl. Once again, we're in beautiful downtown Madrid, New Mexico today at the old boarding house, groceries and gift snacks and mercantile. We're just walking around the town a little bit. If you're in New Mexico, come on by Madrid. You don't have to go all the way to Spain to go to Madrid. Anyway, we're having fun down here. It's a nice little town. Come on back in here. I got Gurtrude out there doing my camera duties, and she's doing a wonderful job so far. Come here, girl. Beautiful downtown Madrid at the old boarding house and mercantile. I got Gurtrude doing my camera duties today. She's out there giving me a little bit broader view of the building. Come here, girl. You did a good job.